Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, so I want to teach you, this is going to be a quick video on something called setInterval. So let's clear this out. Clear our browser. I already had cleared. So what setInterval does is it does just that. It does something at an interval. So if we do a function here, function something, we'll just call it something. And then we do document.write. I am doing something. We can go down here and we can go set interval. Interval helps if I spell it right. And then this is going to take two parameters. The first parameter is going to be the function. Now, you're going to notice this is different. Normally, when you put a function into anything, and a function is what the parameter is, you don't put it in quotes. But with set interval, it needs to be in quotes. Then there's going to be a comma, and the next thing you want to put is the interval that you want it to be. However, setInterval works in milliseconds. So if we wanted to write I am doing something every second, then we're going to want to put 1000 because that's what milliseconds is. So let's save that. Let's run it. I'm doing something, I'm doing something. You'll see it'll just keep doing that indefinitely for 1 second. Okay, so that's setInterval. That'll be coming up here in probably about 2 videos why this is important. So make sure you got this down and you practice with it a little bit. It's super easy. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.